Robin was a real estate agent for 3 years. She worked long hours, often 12-hour days. She had no time for herself, and she was always stressed out and exhausted. Her health was suffering, and she began to feel depressed. One day, Robin was talking to her friend Nami, who was a house cleaner. Nami told Robin that she loved her job. She said that she had a lot of free time, and she made good money. Robin was interested. She had always been a neat freak, and she loved cleaning. Robin decided to quit her job as a real estate agent and become a cleaner. Her parents were not happy about her decision. They thought cleaning was a low-paying job, and they didn't want their daughter to do it. But Robin was determined to follow her passion. Robin started working with Nami. She learned a lot about cleaning, and she was good at it. She loved the fact that she could set her own hours and have more time for her family and friends. After 6 months, Robin had learned everything and decided to start her own cleaning business. They named their company Robin and Nami's Cleaning Service. They started out with just 2 employees, but they worked hard to build their business. They were both good at cleaning, and also good at marketing their business. Eventually, they had a long waiting list of clients. They hired more cleaners and expanded their business to include businesses, apartments, and houses. Their business was a great success. They were able to provide a high-quality service at a competitive price. They also made sure to build relationships with their clients, so that they would keep coming back. 3 years later, Robin and Nami's cleaning service was one of the most popular cleaning companies in the country. They were able to provide good wages and benefits to their employees. They were also able to give back to their community by donating to local charities. Robin's parents were finally proud of her. They realized that she had done the right thing by following her passion. Robin's story is a reminder that it is important to follow your dreams. If you are passionate about something, don't be afraid to follow your dreams. You may just surprise yourself at what you can achieve.